Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will make a special recipe, a delicious Hungarian tripe stew. So let's get to it. First, we start by slicing some green peppers. If you want the exact amount, let us know in the comments below. Next, we dice some tomatoes. When done, we peel and dice a few white onions. For extra flavor, we crush some garlic. We will not use cooking oil for this recipe. Try to use fat or lard if you can. The cooking process is quite simple. We add the lard to our cauldron and we wait until the fat melts. Next, we add the onions and we sear them until translucent. We continue by adding the paprika. First, we take the cauldron off the heat and we add the paprika. We stir it in and we put it back on the fire. This step is crucial because the paprika can burn easily and it will give a bitter taste to the dish. We continue by adding the chopped peppers and the diced tomatoes. For some extra flavor, we add some spicy paprika paste. We stir that in and we let it cook for 20 minutes. Time is up, so we add the tripe. We use pre-boiled tripe, which is cleaned and sliced. When done, we add some ground caraway and the crushed garlic. We give it a good stir and we add some water. We let it cook for a good hour. Don't forget to stir it from time to time. At the end, we season the stew with some salt and ground pepper. We do it this way, just to be sure we don't over-season the stew. Our delicious meal is ready, and this is the consistency we want. This stew is rich and full of flavor. We recommend to serve it with fresh bread or boiled potatoes. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you like our content, then you know what to do. Stay safe and see you on the next one.